The hymn is one of the most sacred and powerful hymns in Hinduism. It is considered the essence of all forms of consciousness and creation. Chanting the hymn is said to purify the mind, body and soul, bringing clarity, wisdom, peace and protection. Traditionally, it is chanted during meditation or prayers at sunrise and sunset, invoking divine grace and inner transformation. Discover the powerful vibrations of the most ancient and revered Sanskrit hymns. It is perfect for meditation, relaxation, and spiritual growth. Here is our step-by-step tutorial to play the hymn on the piano. Familiarize yourself with the F major scale before diving into the melody. The F major scale will let you get comfortable with the notes that make up the tune. You'll gain confidence in quickly identifying and playing the musical notes with comfort and ease. Ga ga re ga pa ga 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 pa ga re re ne re ne re sa re ga re sa pa da sa da pa ga re sa re ga re sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.